So week 6 is the class that I missed, and the question for that week is, what are some areas that you might be interested in acting, working as a consultant? So this is very similar to the last discussion question, week 8's discussion question. And as I've been reading through the book and, following chapters along the different weeks, one area that really kind of interests me is managing behavior. I feel like it's interesting. I find it interesting to be able to observe a behavior, find interventions, implement them, see what works, and then see a positive outcome. I don't think that I'm there yet. I don't think I'm ready to be a consultant. That does not interest me at all at this moment. But this is an area that I would love more information on and I would love more training in. And even it says in the book, it says that it's kind of like solving a mystery, which is absolutely true. I used to work with probation and DCFS students in a non-public on-ground school, and the majority of our students were emotionally disturbed, and so behaviors were all over the place. And figuring out why the student was acting up and finding them a replacement behavior was huge, and it made such a big difference that I still to this day find it interesting. And so that's something that I would love more information on, and I would love to work as a consultant if that ever did interest me. And of course, I think it's gratifying just figuring out the missing piece and solving that mystery, like it says in the book. So that's the area that I would like to work in if it did interest me, which it doesn't right now. Probably because I'm just starting off and I'm excited to be a school counselor. Thank you.